Hi, Mrs. Salas. Good day. I am Ardis and I am your student nurse. So I am here to teach you how to do the deep breathing and coughing. Okay, ma'am. So first things first, try to sit straight like this. Alright. And then inhale and then exhale. Okay, good. When you're inhaling, use your nose, and when you're exhaling, use your mouth. Okay, very good. Again. Okay, so this time, ma'am, when you exhale, hold your breath for 3 seconds and then exhale slowly. Alright? So, let's try. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Release. Again. Hold your breath and then 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay, ma'am, so this time I'm going to give you a pillow. And can you hold this, please? Alright, thank you. Try. And this time, inhale deeply and then cough 2 times that way. Okay. How does it feel? Does it hurt your back?